Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create QR code for absolutely free and how to scan QR code for absolutely free. You didn't have to pay any money in order to do it. So before we proceed, let me tell you first what you will going to achieve after watching this video. First, I am going to show you how to download a program which is absolutely free. Second, how to install that program so that it can work properly in your computer. Third, how to scan a QR code, and at last you will going to see how to create your own QR code. Okay, this video can be a long one, but rest assured, after watching this video you will not going to get any problem in creating or scanning the QR code in future. So let's get started. As usual, you have to go to the description of this video. Under download link section, you will going to find my website link. Link will be something like this: www.iammrhelper.com/windows/programs/miscellaneous. Or link will be something like that. Simply click on it, and after clicking on this, you will going to land on this page. Now what you have to do is scroll down a little bit like this, and you will going to notice two things. There is download link and there is a direct download link. You must be thinking what is different between these two links, but don't worry, this is a direct download link. If in case this link doesn't work, then go for this link, okay? And click on this in order to download the program first. Okay, as you can see, it is a free tool. Now click on download. You have to read the terms and conditions of sales and services. Please read it. Click on privacy policy. Please read this properly. Okay. After you read it properly and if you agree with it, then check this one and click on accept. And this program is pretty small, as you can see, 7.7 MB. Now our file has been downloaded. Let me move this program to my desktop. Okay, downloading part has been done. Now, before we proceed, I am truly suggest you to scan this program first, because you might find this program a malware or virus. I don't know, but in my case it is not. I am using a AVG Internet Security, and my AVG Internet Security doesn't tell me that this is a virus or malware. But who knows, your antivirus might tell you. So please take this precaution. Okay. After you done the scanning, now what we have to do is install the program. You can install this program in any location you want to. There's no limitation. You can install it in your any drive. Please read the license agreement properly. After you read the license agreement properly, click on I accept the terms and conditions. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on next. Now at this location you can change it. I'm not gonna change it because I don't have any other drives. You can change it. You're free to change it. Click on next. Click on install. Click on yes. And click on finish. So as you can see, installing part has been done. Now first we will going to scan the QR code. Okay, so as you can see over here, read QR code. Above this there is few options, but unfortunately at the time of this recording I don't have webcam, so I cannot show you that. But don't worry, this will going to work as I am going to explain other things. So first we are going to select this from screen. That means it will going to scan the screen for the QR code. Let me show you the QR code examples. So as you can see, I have searched in Google for QR code, and let's select this one. As you can see, this is a QR code and we have to do this first. Okay, so first select this from the screen and select the part that you think is a QR code. Okay, and as you can see, this is a Wikipedia page QR code. Okay, let's try a different one. This one right here. As you can see, it is okay. For some reason it is showing you something different, but it is okay, as long as scanning it. Okay, let me show you that QR code is scanning properly. This time we will going to select this one. Okay, this one is again the same QR code. Okay, let me show you that you can scan this QR code by selecting the file also from the file. This means you have to go to a location where is your file, that QR code that you are looking for, and as per me it is in my desktop, so I'm selecting the desktop, click on open, and it is scanning the properly. Okay, now fourth step is how to create your own QR code. It is pretty easy. Click on generate mode on. Now type your QR code text. In my case, I'm going to provide my website link, which is iammrhelper.com. Okay, after that it has been created. After that you have to select the size settings. Now it is selected. In recommended is automatic, but I will strongly suggest you to go for fixed and select the 500 pixel. Okay, otherwise your QR code will look like this. I want a little bigger than this, so I'm selecting fixed and giving the pixel as 500 pixel, and it is like this. Now what you have to do is click on save as, click on desktop, give the file name, you can select the type also, save as type. There are two options, PNG and JPG. I will strongly suggest you for go for PNG. Okay, you can save, and as you can see it is been saved on my desktop. Check is it working or not. Now you can, I don't know, can you drag or drop? Okay, you cannot drag and drop. Okay, select the file, it is in my desktop, select it, and as you can see it is reading it properly. Okay, before I end this video, I want to let you guys know who is the comment of the week. So comment of the week goes to Simmer Small. As you can see on the screen, this channel really appreciate my work, and if you also want to get shout out from me like this in my upcoming videos, then you can also get it. Simply what you have to do is simply comment why do you think this video was helpful for you, or what do you think about this video, and if I found it interesting, I will going to add it in my upcoming videos. So that's all for today. I hope you find this video informative. Click on like button to show me your support. Comment below if you are having any questions regarding this video. I will try my best to help you. Share this video with your friends and family members, whoever would like to share. It is totally free. And at last, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this, as well as press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I make new videos for you. And one more thing, please do visit my website, which is www.iammrhelper.com. Link is in the description box below. All the social website links are in the description box below, so always check the description. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.